What's up, y'all? Here to talk to y'all about the hazards of benzene. Some of the physical properties of this chemical is that it's highly flammable, it's a colorless liquid, and has a aromatic odor. Dealing with the health effects, some of the long-term effects is it can cause harmful effects on the bone marrow. It can cause a decrease in red blood cells leading to anemia. It can cause excess bleeding, excessive bleeding, and it can affect the immune system. Some of the immediate effects that you're going to feel if you come into contact with this chemical are drowsiness, dizziness, rapid or irregular heartbeat, headaches, tremors, confusion, unconsciousness, and in very serious cases, death. The seriousness of poisoning caused by benzene depends on the amount, the route, and the length of time of exposure, as well as the age and pre-existing medical conditions of the exposed person. How could you be exposed to this chemical? You can be exposed through very common things like tobacco smoke, the air around a gas station, motor vehicles, industrial emissions, glues, paints, furniture wax, and detergents. Now, all of these things don't have a very high dose, so can't really affect you as much. Some of the protective things you can do is if benzene is released in the air near you, leave the area as quickly as possible to reduce your chances of death. If it is released indoors, leave the building. If you think you've been exposed, quickly take off all your clothes and wash your whole body with soap and water. If you are helping somebody take off their clothes because they were in contact, avoid any contaminated spots on that person. Threshold limit value is at 0.5 ppm, and the short-term exposure limit is at 2.5 ppm. Permissible exposure limit for benzene is at 10 ppm, and the NIOSH recommended exposure level is at 0.1 ppm. Saying this shows that this chemical is very toxic. It doesn't take much to affect you, so be careful if you're exposed to it. Take the precautions seriously. It's a very dangerous chemical. You gotta be careful.